welcome back to part 2 of this project I'm working on. Right at the moment, what I'm doing is I'm just drawing everything out. That way I know where everything's going to go. This was a piece from my last boombox that I'm actually kind of glad I got it. So it's perfect height. All I have to do is just cut it off here on whatever width this is going to be. I don't know. I'm starting on this side. I'm working that way. But the height is perfect. I put a little bit of space right here and on this side because I may sometime in the future put some cover over it. Maybe. We'll see though. And also too some screws and whatnot. But yeah, here I'm going to show you what I've did so far. Let's kind of move you out of the way. Alright, so here's the first speaker. You see where it's centered. It's outlined. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with the horns yet, but they're going to probably go in the middle. We'll see from that line right here, obviously centered. Or I may shift it over as close to the edge here, and then the other one will be further that direction. No, we'll see though. But before I got these speakers, I went on to the website and I checked out their sizes. And I kind of wrote it down on a piece of paper on how I wanted to kind of have this. So let's have a look here. And that's technically it. Let's kind of move you up. There you are. So left, sub, right, tweeter, and right over here will be the controls. And yeah, this is going to fit perfect. Even looking at the paper, obviously there's a bit of space there, but it's perfect over here. I'm going to go ahead and continue writing where I'm going to place everything and then go from there. Alright, well I have the main part. I'll draw it out now. This is the left side. You got the tweeter up there. You got your mid here. Woofer. Control will be here. I don't have that marked out. Not yet anyway, because I'm not really sure exactly how I want to make a plate for that. I'm still looking around to see if I can find some type of metal plate or something. I don't know. We'll see though what happens there. But here's the right hand side. Here's where it's going to get cut. So this thing's pretty tiny. Let's show you a rough idea. So there you go. It's pretty tiny. This is going to be recessed in, so there will be ½ inch on the side here, just like I did with the other box. This will be in a little bit, and the box part itself will come out a little bit higher. These are going to be recessed into the board. This is 3/4. So yeah, right now it's pretty cold outside, so I'm going to be putting this project on hold for now. Well, I was kind of thinking of some type of plate to put in the middle right here for my amplifier, and well, I got this. This is a Blu-ray disc player. I don't even know if it works. It's been sitting in my shed for a couple of years, and I think that would do perfect. Let's cut out a section right here for the amp and another section for the back power. So, hey, I'm happy with that. That should do the job. So it's been a nice day today. Well, somewhat of a nice day to actually get some of this done. I was able to cut this board. I have the back piece down there ready to go. Obviously, I got to cut some holes and whatnot for the power supply. This isn't going to be battery operated. It's just going to plug into the wall, just like the other one. So we got my left, my right, my sub. I got my control board up here. Can't speak. Tweeter here. All the scribble marks are what's going to be cut out. And I'm going to sink this in. That way it just sits in nicely. Same thing goes with the tweeters. This is going to be completely cut out. And I'm going to make it nice and smooth. And I'm going to have a back plate on the inside, screwed down to about here on each side. And yeah, this thing is going to be completely sunk in to the wood, so the bottom will come out, the side will come out to maybe about here. I haven't decided how far. So yeah, this will be sitting inside. But yeah, that's it so far. Nothing much to see yet. So this is what it looks like now. I did everything with the jigsaw. Not too bad for that. I did sand it down by hand. You see, here it is. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to sink this in. I'm going to follow that line and do it on here, here, and this is going to be different. I don't know what I want to do with that yet, but yeah, it's getting there. That's what it looks like so far. Not too bad. It's actually a little bit bigger than I wanted it, but whatever. It's a lot smaller than the other one, that's for sure. Alright, so the front face is now done, as you can see. Looks pretty good so far. I'm just kind of debating of the width right here on what I want, and I'm thinking about 15 centimeters on the inside would do. Kind of looks done because this thing's a little bit taller and thinner, but whatever. I just put a temporary plate in here to kind of get a rough idea. And somebody's got a loud muffler. But yeah, not too bad. Kind of screwed up down here, so I'm gonna have to fix that. You see right there. So that's gonna have to be fixed. But it's starting to get cold out here, so this project's gonna be put on hold again. Got snow coming, so I don't know when I'm gonna get this thing done, but it looks all right so far. So this is what it looks like. We got about 10 inches this way, about 12 and 7/8 this way, and almost about 23 going this direction. There's my sides, my front, my back, my top and bottom. So yeah, my left sub, right tweeter, left tweeter, my control knobs for the amp, which I'm going to completely stick through here. I might actually have to build some type of shelf where it can actually sit on it. I don't know what I'm going to do there. The front's going to be permanently sealed in. The bottom's going to be sealed. The back is going to be sealed. The sides will be sealed. The top will be open so you can actually do whatever work from top down. I was thinking of maybe having it completely screwed in without any glue. So if I really want to disassemble it, I can. But whatever. I did fix this bottom part. I glued it. Just got to sand it and whatnot. I want to sand all the way in around in the inside here too. Maybe try to sand that as much as possible. Use filler. And yeah, same thing around here. I'm going to cut a plate for the back part as well. I want to put some switches and some other future stuff in here. Like I'm going to put a USB, I'm going to put an auxiliary in it too, might as well. If I'm going to put some stuff in here, I might as well put them in here. For the USB, it's actually going to go to the amp itself, which I've never tested with the other one yet. That'll be a later on video. Even the power will be connected directly into the wood itself. It'll be screwed in, so it won't be in the back plate. The only air that'll escape will be the portholes on the side. There'll be two, one here and one on the other side. So I got my back ready to go to be cut. So here's my plate for the back for future things and two switches. And this right here will go down here. So yeah, that's the bottom section. And that just screws right into the wood. It's the same thickness as the wood. So that's perfect. Check this out. It's test fitted everything. I'm not too happy about the holes right here. I didn't have anything that was perfect size, so I'm just going to put some foam there, squish it in, and probably use wood glue, whatever, to make sure it's nice and sealed. But yeah, that's what it's going to look like. It's just all being held up by this at the moment, so it's not glued or anything. I just want to see how it would look. That looks good. We'll go back here as best as you can see. There, oh, look at that. Not too bad. The top will be able to come off. I can do whatever in the inside. I'll have some type of screws here where you screw it down. It's all going to be sealed properly. But yeah, it's cute. So it's been a couple of days since the last video clip I just showed you. Reason being is, well, it snowed and it decided to become really cold to the point I couldn't do anything. And now I ran out of time. I have other projects I got to do off camera, so I won't be able to get back to this. But I can do a couple of things before I can end this video. I do got some strips here that I'm going to be using. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one strip here, down here, straight this direction, and right here as well. And I'm going to glue that down. And I think that would be it for this video. We'll see. Alright, so I want to show you what I did. I decided to build a frame in the inside because I changed my mind. I'm not going to let the top be removed. I'm going to glue the sides, bottom, top, and the front and the back are going to be removable, which makes a lot more sense because then I can take that and I can swap it out for something else if I want to put bigger woofers or whatnot inside. So the front can be changed, the back can be changed, which would be smart idea. But that's it for this video on this part. I will be back eventually for part 3. But hopefully you enjoy it so far. And I'll see you on the next one.